Hello, welcome once again to a Walking the Wainwrights film. Today I'm with my colleague Stuart.
Morning.
Stuart is from Scotland.
I am.
But here we are in the lakes and we are doing a full Wainwright day today. We're starting with Steel Fell, then we are going to go round to Helm Crag, Gibson Knott, and then finish with the famous Helm Crag, which has many names, including the Howitzer Stone, the Lion and the Lamb, and some others which we will probably come to later. See the Helvellyn range across the road, and finally you start to see the path heading up Steel Fell, which is hopefully quite clear. I imagine given all the rain we've had it's going to be quite slippy too.
Yeah.
Through the gate you can either go left and go straight up the valley, or as we're going to do, right, go straight up Steel Fell in an unrelenting slog. Let's have a look. Ah, some brightness on the horizon.
That's what I said.
You did say that, but you weren't on film at the time.
It's looking quite bright ahead.
Does look bright. Finally, some blue sky.
Absolutely.
And some sunlight.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, beautiful Grasmere. Steel Fell is the east ridge of High Raise, which we hope to do on another film. If we do, you can probably click on it somewhere. It's definitely getting a bit steeper now. When you get to the cliffs, turn right. It should take us over and around them. You can go up the cliff if you want, we're not going to. There are 3 points of contact. Langdale pikes are just starting to peek out over to the south or west, or somewhere over in that direction, wherever that may be. We're nearly at the top of Steel Fell with the gloriously named Dead Pike at the top, and that should be the highest we get to today. We're already higher than Helm Crag, which is behind us. We'll just have to get to the top now.
Indeed.
Always reassuring to come across a cairn. Oh, it's Thelmere. Last little push up to the top of Steel Fell. So there you have it, Steel Fell. That's 553 metres, 1,814 feet. From Steel Fell we go round to Helm Crag, and that takes us round the other side of the valley back towards Helm Crag via another Wainwright, Gibson Knott. And from here it looks like quite a nice path, or if you prefer, path. Right, we're on our way round to Calf Crag, which is over there. And then after that to Gibson Knott. Why the heck not, as it is not called. Oh, here comes the rain. That makes me sad. This is unusual evidence of a rare phenomenon of rain in the Lake District. The Lake District Classic, 4 seasons in one day. Certainly wet. Right. Calf Crag. Dash on the boggy side. Calf Crag.
It's all downhill from here.
Yeah. This is Calf Crag. Imagine the size of Cow Crag. But we're heading to Gibson Knott through a lot of squelch. I have to go around it. Gibson Knott, 422 metres, 1,385 feet. Very, very wet today. Wow, look at the clouds coming up.
I know.
Ideally they should be above us. So as I'm here in Helm Crag is just there. Even though it's tipping it down, I feel it would be a wasted opportunity not to go up and do it even in the rain, along with all the herdies and birds. There you go, Helm Crag. You can climb it, but I'm not going to. In book 3 of Wainwright's Lakeland Fells, he said, "The virtues of Helm Crag have not been lauded enough. It gives an exhilarating little climb, a brief essay in real mountaineering, and in a region where all is beautiful, it makes a notable contribution to the natural charms and attractions of Grasmere," which is in the mist today. Still a bit of a cracker, and I commend it to you. Helm Crag is sometimes called the Lion and the Lamb. It's also called the Old Lady Playing the Organ, which I can't say I've seen, and obviously the famous Lion Couchon. I don't know. It's 4th Wainwright of today and final, and I'm going back home now to get into the dry. Come with me. The mighty Helm Crag. Would you say this is Dreich or is this beyond Dreich?
This is beyond Dreich. This is really Dreich.
Oof. That's about it for us. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please like and subscribe and join us again for another Wainwright walk. Hopefully one a little bit drier.
Yeah, wet but wonderful.